Greetings, Seminoles. This is Jason Ross, Assistant Principal of Operations here at Creekside High School. And what I want to go over with you all today is our case reporting system. First of all, to get into CASE, you have to go to the Fulton County Schools website. CASE will be used to enter in absences anytime that you plan to be off. In order to get into CASE, you must do the following. First, you go to the district's website at fultonschools.org. Then you come on down to Employee Portal. Now, the Employee Portal may ask you to input your information, which is your login and your password. So please do so if you are prompted to do so. You come on down, and if you look down where it's a suitcase, you'll see CASE. You go to continue, and this is a very important part, your user ID and your password. But before we even get there, in order to record an absence inside of CASE, you must first register. So if you click here, this is the registration information. Before you can log into CASE, again, you must register by telephone. I repeat, you must register by telephone if you would like to log into CASE. So, of course, the number that you will call is 404-609-4824. Then you will enter your access ID number followed by the star key. Your access ID is your employee ID. I repeat, your access ID is your employee ID. If you need your access ID number, please see me or give me an email or just simply place it in the chat box that you would need your employee ID number. Once you go through this registration process, they will give you a PIN and or a password so you can go in and you can log in your information. So again, before you can put anything into CASE, you must make sure that you register. Now that you're registered and you have your ID and your password, it's time to begin. So I will start with my user ID, and I will put in my personal password, and we will begin. And we will begin. Okay. Once you come to this Smart Find Express screen, you will see an email validation. All you have to do is simply close out of there, and now you will have a screen that looks like this. In order to put an absence in, you will go strictly to, yours will look a little different. I want to have an administrator, but since I am the case coordinator, mine actually has access to everyone in the building, but your screen will be similar. You'll strictly go down to create an absence. Your name will already be logged in, so your screen may look a little different. You would click on your information, and your position will come up along with your location, which is Creekside, the time in which you will be off. This is very important as well, because the whole day for high school will be considered 7:55 to 3:55. However, there may be occasions where you need to be off on a half a day. So in that case, you will go inside of this box and you will pick a specific day, and you would put the specific start time and end time of your absence. Click on the drop down for reasons. As you know, there are various reasons why we take off from work, but the reasons that we have currently in the system is professional day. Professional day is if you are attending a professional development, if you may have a professional development experience in the school. Witness school business, vacant position, That's if we have a vacancy in the school and somebody is covering. You have your sick leave. Now, this is your normal sick leave, non-COVID. We've added the district has added 2 more emergency codes: COVID reasons 1 through 3 and COVID reason 4 through 6. As you know, you receive 10 days, we're allotted 10 days for COVID experiences. So if you're sick, or if you have symptoms, if you have anything that's related to COVID, then this is what you would code yourself. If you're going to be out from 1 to 3 days, you would click on this 2601. If you're going to be out 4 to 6 days or 10 days, you would click on this at the bottom. Personal leave. All personal leave has to be placed into not only CASE, but also Employee Express. And personal leave has to be requested, and it has to go through the principal. And I will give you information on that shortly. Vacation is for employees who accrue vacation days. That's not teachers. Bereavement, immediate family. You receive 2 days for, you receive 5 days for immediate family. And for non-immediate family, you receive 2 days. Jury duty, military, admin leave, unexcused, paid. So these are the reasons for your absence. Once you're through with that, you continue. I'll just put in something you put in your date that you're going to be gone. So the start and end date. So the 12th, that'll be Wednesday. So continue. So then it will state this absence will not be created until the absence is pressed. You create absence, and there you go. You have your absence that is recorded. I will cancel all of this information, but that's how you log into your case management system. That's for recording absences. If you want to record a personal day or personal absence, you must go 2 places. You have to go into your Employee Express. Let me go over what you will need to go to for Employee Express. Simply click on Employee Portal again, and again it may prompt you to input your username and password. Employee Express can be found right here at the bottom, right by Fulton Connected Star. You click on Employee Express. You'll put in your username, so it's the same information or your login information that you use when you're logging on to your computer. So I'm going to put mine in, log on, and it will take you to this screen. This is Employee Express. So Employee Express has a number of helpful tabs that you will need throughout the school year. This tab, the Employee Express, you can view how many days that you have, your request leave, display your time account data. You can access the number of sick days or time that you have left for the school year, your benefits and payments, and also your personal information. If you look over to the right, you can view your salary statement, tax withholding, personal profile can be created, and creating leave requests. So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a leave request. When you take a day for, or if you want to take a few days for personal, again, that must go through this system, Employee Express. You would simply go to create leave requests, and leave requests, you'll see send, and new, and cancel. So what you'll simply do is you will pick the date in which you have to be off. And actually, I would go on and pick now because I have to be off for a few days. Type of leave. Mine would be personal time. So that's what you, when you're putting in personal leave, you are clicking on personal time. End date, so my start date, I will leave on Tuesday, and I will be gone until Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, till Thursday. And then it will calculate absence hours, so each day is considered 8 hours. So mine will be 24. And then you have a note by it, and I will just simply put my reason that I will be out. All right, and then you will simply go here and you will click on send, or send and new, and that's how you calculate your leave for personal. If you have any questions regarding any of the information that I've provided in today's video,